In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Canva. To get started, the first thing you want to do is decide exactly what you want to create. This is important because Claude works best when you give it a clear goal. For example, you might be creating a presentation, an Instagram post, a Facebook banner, a flyer, a poster, an infographic, a resume, a business proposal, an ebook, or a marketing brochure. The more specific you are about the format and purpose, the more useful and relevant the output will be. Once you know what you want to make, open Claude and generate your content. Enter a detailed prompt that explains what kind of content you need. For instance, you could ask Claude to create content for a 5-slide presentation introducing a new fitness app, including a title, key features, benefits, pricing, and a call to action, while keeping each slide concise. Giving Claude that kind of structure helps it return content that is much easier to move into Canva. After Claude gives you a draft, take a moment to refine it, review the wording, and make sure it fits your project. If needed, ask Claude to simplify the language, change the tone, add examples, create headings, shorten paragraphs, generate a stronger call to action, or rewrite the content for a specific audience. This back and forth process is useful because it helps you shape the text before you begin designing. Next, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the homepage, click Create a Design, then choose the type of design you want to make. After that, select a template if you want a faster starting point, or begin with a blank canvas if you prefer to build everything from scratch. Now copy the text from Claude and paste it into your Canva design. Replace any placeholder text in the template with your own content and try to keep the layout clean and organized. Good spacing and clear sections will make the final design much easier to read. Once your content is in place, customize the design. You can change colors, choose fonts, add icons, insert photos, include charts or graphics, and upload your own images or logo. Try to keep everything visually consistent so the design feels polished and professional. Before exporting, review the entire design carefully. Check grammar and spelling, make sure your fonts and colors are consistent, confirm that everything is aligned properly, and look at the quality of your visuals. Also pay attention to readability and spacing, since these details make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then select Download. Choose the file format that fits your project, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4 for video, or PPTX for presentations. You can also share the design directly from Canva with a team member or client, and that's how to connect Claude to Canva.